Hello everybody, Miss Jackie Russell here. Hey, I've got some loud things going on around here, so the dogs are going to bark off and on. But I've got to get this video out. It's my 250 subscriber giveaway. And it's all because of you. You all subscribed, you all have supported me, and that is why I'm at 250. That is the only explanation. Because you guys are wonderful and I love you, and I want to do a midstream giveaway. I did my 200 not too long ago. I'm going to celebrate 250. I think I'm around 257. And now I'm going to give away during the midpoint, and this is 250. And I just thank each and every one of you. I appreciate you all. I appreciate that y'all come and check me out. And if you are new, I would like to invite you to join the family. Just go ahead and subscribe and you can be a part of this giveaway, and we'll have many down the roads. I got a collaboration coming up pretty soon, so there'll be plenty of times to have a chance to win something. But today it's our 250 celebration, and I want to show you what I have. I'm going to call it pampering you. You all have watched me open up so many boxes that pamper me, and so I want to give back and pamper you. So this is going to be around that theme. One of the first things that we have is some Dr. Botanicals. This is a Macaroon Rose Superfood Facial Oil. I'm going to just open the box here, but I'm not going to open the bottle. But isn't that beautiful? And it is a Dr. Botanicals, a very good brand, a superfood for your face. So that's one thing that's going to be in here that you can pamper with. The next thing that we're going to have is, these are Volcano Vibe Melts. So you just pour these in your little, pot that melts little oils, scent oils. I guess it's candle wax. And just sit back and relax. Maybe while you have your facial oil on. The next thing we have is, while you're in the bath, we're going to have a Sunny Days bar soap. This is sweet orange and spearmint. And yes, it smells just like it says. This is a vegan soap, all natural ingredients. And it's kind of got a blue and cream and gold color, so it's very decorative. The next thing that we're going to have while we're going along with all this bath time and facial time is a little candle. It's called California Dreamin', and it is the California Dreamin' scent, and it's decorated with a little jewelry piece in there, and it's real glittery. It's very pretty. The next thing we're going to have is something to dazzle your eyes. This is a blue glitter eyeshadow, and this is the Bella Pierre Cosmetic Adhesive. So it's kind of like, it says color stay on there, and this is your color. So you can get all decked out for whatever special holiday, maybe even use this for Halloween. Our next thing, while we're taking care of ourselves, is this Froze Iced Rose Body Scrub. So now you can get yourself smooth from top to bottom. And this is blessed by a Buddhist monk to inspire pride and confidence. So this is a scrub, and I'm sure it smells like rosé or something similar to that. It says Dew of the Gods. You're also going to get a thermal treatment head wrap. I guess it's for your hair. Volume and Nourish Mask. So this mask is going to nourish and volumize your hair by ICO Infusions. So that is another pampering. You can be having your candle. You can be burning the wax, volcano drops, and just sit back and relax. One more thing that we have is Moria, and this is Pomegranate Boost Toner Mist. So this is a restoring, clean beauty mist that you can put on to set your cleansing. It says boost toner mist, so in my opinion, that's to be used after you cleanse and you want to boost your toning of your skin. And it's going to infuse it with a little pomegranate. Our last thing that we're going to have in the 250 giveaway is appropriate for fall, our Pinky Rose Sunflower. And this is a beautiful eye palette. Oh, I don't want to blind you. Aren't those colors gorgeous? I'm going to slide that off for just a moment so we can get a better look at it. But you got blue, purples, pinks, and some creams, some orangey tones, and a nice cream base over there. Of course, they've got different names for them than what I'm calling them. But this is a beautiful eye palette. And you will get this. And the lucky winner will get all these items. I am going to use the word pamper. What you need to do is be publicly subscribed to me and use the word pamper in a sentence, and also tell me which of these items you would most be looking forward to getting. Now that was a two-part, okay? Because when anybody says and, it includes the next section. So use the word pamper and tell me what your favorite item is or something that you would like to use. If you're not going to participate in the drawing and just want to be here for support, I thank you, number one. I appreciate all your support. Tell me which item is your favorite, or if you've used any of these that you could give us some feedback on it. So those are the two things you must do. And of course, you have to be publicly subscribed. You must be 18 years or older. Today is October 10th. And we will end this giveaway next Sunday. And I don't know the date right off the top of my head. So, but it will run for 1 week, and I'll put that down in the description. Of course, no one paid for these items. None of these companies, Belpierre, any of these. I paid for everything. Either I bought them or I was given them, or, they came in one of my boxes. But these are all items that were purchased by me, and YouTube has nothing and no affiliation with this. If I've left anything out, I'll put it down in the bottom. But those are your basic rules. It is a giveaway for the United States, so it's a Continental United States giveaway. You must live, or your address must be within the Continental USA. You will have 48 hours to contact me once the name has been drawn. I use the YouTube picker, so that's how we'll be doing this. And it'll be picking out the word pamper. And of course, I personally in the comments will be looking for your favorite item that you would like to use, or, if you have more than one, that's fine. At least put one down. And then you'll be entered into this giveaway. And again, I just can't thank you all enough. And like I said, it's not because of me, it's because of you. Your support has brought me here. And I just want to say again that I appreciate y'all. I feel like we're part of the family, and you know that you can, write me anything. I write back on comments. I like to get the comments, and if you have specific questions or if there's something you'd like to see more of, you just have to let me know in the comments, and then we'll go from there. I will tell you that besides being in the collaboration that's going to be coming up here pretty soon, I have also got myself a website, and it's MissJackieRussell.com. And it's kind of real new and new to me, going to be new to you, but it's another way to find out a little bit more about me. And I posted it about 2 weeks ago, I think, and I've got an initial blog on there, but I have not had time to do any blogging since then. But I do have it up, and if you want to go check it out, you're more than welcome. And the way you will reach me through this particular giveaway is you will reach me through my Instagram at Miss_Jackie_Russell. And I will get back with you. I'll get your address, and I'll get this mailed out to you as soon as possible. And I guess that's about it, other than just thank you, everybody. And I really, really appreciate you. And I want you all to have a blessed and happy day. Bye-bye.